This is the Dash Compact Cold Press Power Juicer, our smallest and most advanced slow juicer. Unlike typical juicers that use a blade to shred food like a wood chipper, slow juicers, also known as masticating juicers, use an auger to carefully wring out the produce without damaging it. Put simply, this means you'll get more juice, more nutrients, and your juice can last much longer without separating. And it's great for more than just juice. You can make delicious almond milk and cashew milk and tough-to-make beverages that other juicers simply can't handle. When you're done, the parts rinse off easily under the faucet, and the compact footprint means that you can leave it out on your countertop or throw it in your bag for juicing on the go. Plus, use the included frozen treat attachment to turn frozen fruits into delicious and healthy sorbet in minutes. Here at Dash, creating high-quality products that help you eat better is our #1 priority. That's why all of our products include healthy recipes and a customer support team based right here in the USA. So get the energy to take on your day with the Dash Compact Cold Press Power Juicer.
In our busy lives, it can be difficult to find the time to get the nutrition we need from the food that we eat. In fact, about 90% of all people don't eat enough fruits and vegetables. Luckily, cold pressed juice from the Solostar 4 provides a quick and easy way to get the nutrients that we need. When we get the proper amount of nutrition, we look better, feel better, and have healthier lives. Beautiful and powerful all in the same package, the reinvented Solostar 4 features an all-new, breathtaking design coupled with intelligent engineering. Its gorgeous body is wrapped around an efficient drive system that produces more power while using less electricity. The low-speed operation, cold-press squeezing action, and increased juice yield help you maximize your daily intake of enzymes, vitamins, and nutrients. It is simply the best horizontal single auger juicer in the world. Due to its smart design, the Solostar 4 crushes the competition by producing 26% more torque while using 10% less electricity. It has a gear reduction equivalent to a 5.4 horsepower motor. More torque means less jamming, and less electricity means more savings on your electricity bill. You even get additional savings by lowering your grocery bill, because the Solostar 4 produces up to 40% more juice from your favorite fruits and vegetables. The sleek, compact, and modern design takes up less space while looking beautiful on your kitchen countertop. And since all food contact parts are made from BPA and BPS-free materials, you don't have to worry about exposing your family to harmful chemicals. Each Solostar 4 also comes with a standard 15-year warranty, the longest warranty of its kind in the industry. At only 57 RPM, the Solostar 4 is the slowest horizontal single auger juicer on the market. The slow and gentle juicing process virtually eliminates all heat and oxidation, preserving more essential nutrients and live enzymes. The class-leading auger size and dual-stage extraction process produce maximum juice yields. The Ultim auger is also 8 times stronger than other types of plastic, which allows for an aggressive auger design that makes it easy to feed your produce into the juicer. So you not only get better juice, you get more of it, all in an easy-to-use juicer. True beauty starts on the inside. Begin your journey towards a healthier, more beautiful you with the Tribest Solostar 4.
Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet is a great idea, and the low-speed juice extractor keeps you going strong, whether you're on a juice fast or just love a fresh glass of juice to start your day. Having a juice extractor at home makes it super easy to prepare delicious, wholesome juices using your favorite ingredients with no added preservatives. And the low-speed, quiet motor is perfect for extracting all the goodness from leafy greens and wheatgrass. This juicer assembles very quickly with a few twists. When you're ready to juice, simply plug it in, set up the juice and pulp cups, turn it on, and begin feeding fruit or vegetables into the chute. The slow juicer's masticating action crushes and squeezes produce to extract the maximum amount of juice. Once your juice is ready to serve, a separator keeps the foam from pouring out with the juice. All the parts are dishwasher safe, and cleaning up is easy because the strainer rinses clean with running water. Follow a recipe from the included booklet or create your own flavor combinations. Make fresh juice with minimal effort and easy cleanup. Now that's good thinking.